Guys, it's time to cook, and guess who is cooking? Hey, our legend, the last born of the house. Hi, family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, African Princess Milka, as you know me. And guys, today we preparing something special, some African Kenyan delicacy. Hey, just guess what is it? Just sit, relax, just take your juice, your tea, and sit down as you sip while watching this amazing video. Guys, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. So here I'm trying to prepare some wood, and that is firewood to help us cook. So guys, hope you're going to enjoy this video as much as I enjoy making it for you. So yeah guys, just sit and relax. That's all I would tell you to do. Yeah, because it's gonna get hot in here. My nephew is here. I sent him some rice and tomatoes. Is from the shop. So this is what we are having for lunch. Yeah, so this is my fireplace. I want to do the fire. Let me show you how we do it. It's so easy. Everyone, I know you know how to do the guys, it's time to cook, and guess who is cooking? Hey, our legend, the last born of the house. Hey, what shoe is this? What type of a shoe is this? Hey, Nginyir. We call it Nginyir in English. Nginyera. So yeah, he's helping me to cook. The other one is eating, the other one is finishing the utensils. The ones I was washing before, she's helping me. So you see, that is where we put our utensils to bask. Yeah, we have that basking shelf. There it is. And then we have another one who is eating githeri before lunch is ready. You know githeri? So here it is. Maize and beans. Yeah, so for me, so our cook, our chef, the onions are not ready. Wait for them to turn brown.
So I'm going to sit down.
So let's see how he's going to cook. Guys, have you ever seen this shoe? Guinyer. Guinyer. I don't know in English how you call it. But it's made of the Maasai shell. Hey, God. The Maasai sell the shoes. Yeah, so this is how they make it from a tire. That is and then it has some beads. From a car tire. So yeah, let's wait for our lunch. Yeah.
Tomatoes here.
Tell them.
They put tomatoes here. Wait for them to ripe.
Jesus Christ. They are waiting for the tomatoes to ripe. They are waiting for the tomatoes to get cooked. To nini? To what? That is not Swahili. Koruga is our language. In Swahili, kupika.
We are waiting for them to cook. So we can cook them.
So guys, let's wait for our chief chef to finish cooking, eh? Yo!
Would look delicious.
Okay, sir.
Same here, what? And this one is eating He's boring me. I'm not ready to give him.
So guys, our chef ran away. There he is. He's minding his own business right now. So the other chef took the what? The cooking. Hey, this food has been cooked by so many hands. Hope it's going to be yummy. Our chef said it's going to be yummy. Fernando, say hi.
Hi. As you can see here, our chef is cooking.
Mm-hmm.
Dance. But he's talking here. But he should be concentrating in the camera.
Oh, okay, sir.
This one should be cooking, and the food are delicious. So the food is ready to be eaten. So sweet.
So guys, we are preparing rice and tomatoes. A mixture of rice and tomatoes. You see already it's there. That one. So we just fry tomatoes and onions, put water and rice. So that is our lunch for today. A very simple and easy lunch to cook. So yeah guys, let's wait for it to be ready. I'm here waiting to eat. And eat. I wish the avocados were ready. We eat with the food, but they are still not ready. You see? Not yet ready. So I'm so proud. Look, the place looks amazing. We have the cat. Who wants some cat? Some pawpaws, some bananas on the other side. So yeah. Guys, our food is ready. It's time to eat under this tree over here. So yeah, let's have. Everyone is welcome to enjoy this meal. So it's just a simple meal, as I told you, just rice and tomatoes. Yeah. So our chef is serving for us. Our chef is serving our food, guys. So we just enjoy sitting. It's really hot. The sun is sunning. If there is something like that, scorching. Oh, it's scorching. I'm being told the sun is scorching. So yeah, guys, let us enjoy our meal. Until next time. See you in the next video. I have amazing videos coming for you. That's the village videos, guys. And say bye to my viewers. Bye. So the kids are in mid-term break. Yeah, mid-term break. That's why they are here. They're supposed to be in school. Hey, someone is complaining the food is small. Hey, yawa.
We are hard.
Guys, we just bought a small amount of rice, so she's complaining the food is small.
Not me way.
Oh, whoa. Hey guys, when you have a big family, it's trouble. And then with teenagers, you know, the teenagers eat, and the other teenager is behind the camera, is the one who is taking the videos. I don't know if you've seen them, you've seen him, but you will see him in my next videos, guys. So it's time to enjoy our meal. Until next time, bye guys, bye.